I'm Mark Kennedy.
I'm Katie Carey.
Hi, I'm Tom Snyder, one of the puzzle masters to create the IMTS 2020 floor plans. I've always said it's the world's largest jigsaw puzzle with no matching pieces.
It's like 4 or 5 different 1,000 to 2,000 piece jigsaw puzzles that you have to make into one cohesive image.
We spend almost 6 months putting the floor plans together. That means if you think about it, it is like getting a very small 2,000 piece puzzle and trying to arrange it over 5 different exhibit halls at the largest exhibit facility in the United States.
I manage the application process for every IMTS, and that starts over 2 years ahead of each show.
Once it's submitted from the exhibitor and Katie processes it, it lands on my desk, and I gather all 1,200 plus applications and really start sorting them. The first thing I got to look for is where are my fire exits and where are the building columns in relation onto the floor plan, because you try to keep the building columns out of the customer's booth when possible. But once I get the general idea of where my aisles are going to be, I get out these big sheets of paper. I can't do it on a CAD system because the monitors are so big. I need to see and visualize the entire floor. Plot the bigger booths, gives me my bearings for my cross aisles, and then it's just filling in the floor as you go.
It is challenging. We have to account for people who want extra space, people who maybe want to downsize. Invariably, everybody wants a better location moving to the front of the hall.
The biggest challenge is trying to fit everybody into these buildings. They are of a set size made out of concrete and steel. I can't stretch them, and though the past 3 or 4 shows we've been oversold. Once the previous show ended, we're already oversold for the next event. And you want to fit everybody in.
Once May 1st comes and the space assignments, they think we just sit and wait for the show to happen, but actually it's just the beginning. We will have over 400 changes to the floor plans over the next 12 months. Once we get the floor plans live on May 1st, we have almost 98% of our exhibitors that rebook. Coming out of IMTS 2018 with record attendance, we had such a significant rebook.
I do look at everybody's requests and take it into consideration as I'm laying these events out. I do spend a lot of time thinking about the customer and how can I help them.
I love talking to the exhibitors. That's my favorite part. I love helping them solve problems, and I love thinking about the best ways for us to reach out to exhibitors and make things as easy as possible.
I used to always say I was in sales. I'm really in relationship management because it's all about relationships with the customers, internal and external.
Our team has to be customer service oriented. We always say sales, but we spend 80% of our time to customer service. How do I feel when it's showtime? It is the most exciting month of the 2 years. I love getting on site. That month of getting them into the show, helping them facilitate and work through the union labor, show days, move out. It's just a lot of opportunity for touch points with us. I love my team. It's an exciting time of the year for us, and we can't wait for you to see what the IMTS floor plans look like.
The floor plans for IMTS 2020 are live now on IMTS.com. Click below to subscribe and receive the latest updates on IMTS 2020.